it's recording. This one's recording. I got two cameras because it's like I forgot how to film. Oh my god, I probably should have put on some, but it's okay. I am so sorry. I've been gone for so long. It took me forever just to film this video. I literally had an anxiety attack before I did the whole setup. Look at my notes. Look at my notes. And I have notes because I don't want to forget nothing, because I am so sorry that I took such a long break. But you know, when life happens, and my life happened. I have to get into my hair. As you guys can see, you can't even see my hair. My hair is covered. It's covered for a reason. It's so embarrassing. But I want to say welcome back, beauties. I haven't said it in so long. Welcome back, beauties and gentlemen, to my channel. It's your girl NekiCakes, live in the flesh.
Hello, friend. Thank you.
I'm not bald. But damn. I mean, I could be. It's not so bad, right? My hair smells really good right now, and it's actually moisturized. So I have heat damage on this side and this side. So when I part my hair in the middle, okay, this side automatically looks like I have no hair. Do you see that? And this side is thicker. Girl, look how thin my hair has been. This is the whole half. I know. So the current condition of my hair, extremely dry, it's fragile, it breaks very easily. I do have flakes in certain parts of my scalp. My ends are terrible. They need to be trimmed. They are trashy. I have split ends. My hair is uneven. And also too, I have heat damage. I haven't been doing no Ayurvedic treatments, no Amla, no henna, no Chebe, nothing. I've been using just the minimal, basic, staple products. I didn't want to do anything with my hair besides put it in a bun. And so I got split ends from putting it in a bun, and my hair got really, really dry from doing that excessively, like literally every day, in a bun. For sure I need a trim because my hair's been in a bun for almost 2 years straight. Let's see. Length check. Not that long. More shedded hair. The plan going forward is stop disappearing. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to be damaged Neki anymore. I want to be healthy, loving, moisturized Neki. So I'm going to pre-poo first, shampoo, deep condition, and then we're going to get into the styling. And if you don't know what pre-poop is, surprise! Let me clock this tea. It's a pre-treatment that you do prior to shampooing your hair. So especially if you have fine, dry hair like me that gets tangled easily as soon as you put a shampoo in it, or scalp that's really, really dry and itchy, you need to do a conditioning treatment before you shampoo. Period. So that's it. So let's get started. Ah! Yeah, we back. Thick. I got my staples. Wide tooth comb. I want to do this first. Even though my hair has been in a flat twist and it's already detangled, I want to make sure it is fully and well detangled. It's okay. You guys can see like the thinness of my hair. See it? Look at it. It even flows different. It just goes zoop. And this has body. Like this has some like, but this, look how stringy it is. It's not a lot. Y'all remember these? The right side first. That's where all the damage is at. What do I have in here? This is not Olaplex. I have water and aloe vera gel. Application. Ooh, it's cold. It's going down. You remember? We always apply the mask like a perm. Or what we call a relaxer. You're going to do hit the roots. hit the roots. Apply it to the roots like a relaxer or a perm, and you just melt it into your hair. You drag it down just like that. It's so important to squeeze your hair mask into your hair so your hair can just absorb all of that. No frizz, no nothing. This is the first time I made this hair mask, and I bet you it's not going to be the last. I hope I'm doing this right, because I can't see. I don't even see the back. I feel like I didn't do the back properly. Smooth it down. Smooth it down. We're going to sit with this for 1 hour with a plastic bag. I want to make sure we get every single strand. Don't forget the nape. This is important over here. Never ever forget over here. Don't forget over here, y'all. That's where y'all be pulling. "45 minutes. 45 minutes to 1 hour. You can do with heat or without heat. But once you have the plastic bag on, it should be fine. Yeah, it should be fine. So, for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to wash my hair by the kitchen sink. I usually wash it in the kitchen sink anyway. It's obviously easier. I could have it redo in the shower, but it's so cold. In this bottle, I have my free Clean and Clear shampoo. This is the Black Vanilla Luscious Moisture Shampoo for dry, dull, and brittle hair. I actually really like this line, the Black Vanilla line. We got the Black Vanilla Moisture and Shine conditioner. Even though it's a conditioner, the instruction says to leave it on for like 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna use this as my deep conditioner. 1, 2, 3 lined up. Got my clip and my white tooth comb. Alright. It is. One part. It's so soft. Let's melt this away. 3 to 5 minutes. A little bit cooler than room temperature. Because it's winter. It's This house. It feels good. Use the inside of the shirt instead. Woo! I use more than one leave-in. I'm gonna spray the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-in Conditioner first. I love this, by the way. I love it. I can use that in my hair every day. And then I'm gonna go on with It's a 10 Miracle Leave-in product. This is old school. Moisturizer. Carol's Daughter. I don't know what's going on with Carol's Daughter. I don't know. Carol's Daughter's been... It's been clocking that tea. It smells so good. And before my hair gets dry, I want to just... Okay. Well then. I mean, I look cute, but it's not as full as it used to be. It's still... I'm going to show you the heat damage. Right up there. You guys see the curls here? It's much better now, but it's getting better. And I look at the length of my curls, like, yeah. This side is thicker. And of course, this side is, ooh. Give it back, stem. See that? Heat damage. Y'all can never say now, I've never seen Neki with damaged hair. Leave it. Right all over. And then we're gonna work it in. Work it in, work it in. It's time for, right? It's a 10. Break that up into a sub part. I like to shake everything before I apply it to my hair, just in case. My hair needs, it's gonna need silicone, it's gonna need fillers, so anything like this that obviously is not 100% natural, it's gonna do some things to my hair, positive things. And I forgot, you don't need to spray too much. Damn it. We're gonna blow dry after this. Oh wow. 3, 2, 1. Yep. On high, because I'm like, this takes forever. Because I still have to use my blow dryer to like really blow out my hair, because this only does so much. So it's gonna go on high. Keep our hair not moving back. Look at that. You see? When I hold my hair, it's easy to blow dry. But look, when I let it go, you're gonna see, look. Let me blow dry. See the snag? Okay. Hold your hair. Hold it. Really do much for my hair. Where am I at? Where am I? Hair feels thicker. I don't know if it was that coconut, but shoot. Which is a good thing. Is it clean? Roots are clean? What's that spot? You guys know I'm gonna do a flat twist. It feels right. Design Essentials Scalp Care Edge and Temple Strengthening Oil with biotin and black castor oil. This is my second time using it. We're gonna get this all over our scalp and our hairline. Biotin, sunflower seed. What's the first ingredient? This hemp seed oil. sunflower seed oil, macadamia seed oil, castor oil, and peppermint. There's rosemary oil, biotin. So important. Heat protectants. Guys, it's so important. Moisturizer time. This could be too much. It could be too much. But I'm start at the ends because that's the most important part. Middle part. And then whatever residue I have left over on my hand will go up top. Yep. My Sunny Isle Jamaican black castor oil, pure butter, because it's all butter. Okay? It's probably expired by now, but it's castor oil. I don't know, like, okay. I just took a whole bunch of castor oil and I'm just gonna slick it down just like you would do a gel. Now, time to flat twist. Let's get to flat twisting. Oh, not so bad. The same. I know it's not even. It's not even, but the hair is cleaned. I came back before 3 years. I am so thankful for you guys sticking by, whether you are returning or new. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it from the beginning all the way down to the end, thank you so much. Even if you skipped, I don't care. The fact is that you watched, you engaged, you've seen me go through this process, and maybe you can turn around and do this to your own hair as well, okay? And thank the Lord, of course, because without him, none of this is possible. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye, beauties. Come on now. Day 3 wash and go. Who is Frizz? Who that? You know Frizz? I don't know no Frizz. What I do know is when the hair is under manners, it looks like this.